Dear friends, today also we brought you some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 32 stocks including Mahindra and Mahindra, IDBI, UPL, Adore Welding, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Adore Welding Limited, Adore, share is trading around rupees 1020. Adore Welding announced a dividend of rupees 20 per share. 8th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Wheels India Limited, Wheels, share is trading around rupees 814. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7.03 per share. 10th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Canfin Homes Limited, Canfin Home, current market price rupees 792. Company announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. 11th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. UPL Limited, UPL, current market price rupees 661. UPL announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. 11th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Bimetal Bearing Limited, current market price rupees 615. Company announced a dividend of rupees 13 per share. 14th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Vinyl Chemicals India Limited, Vinyl India, current market price rupees 316. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. 15th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. IDBI Bank Limited, IDBI, current market price rupees 103. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.1 per share. 15th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Computer Age Management Services Limited, CAMS, current market price rupees 4,290. CAMS also announced a dividend of rupees 19 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 15th July 2025. GTV Engineering Limited, current market price rupees 1110. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5 and announced bonus in the ratio 2:1. Stock split 1:5 means if you have 100 shares of GTV Engineering, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Bonus 2:1 means if you have 100 shares of GTV Engineering, you will get 200 shares as bonus and you will have 300 shares. Ex-date and record date for the bonus and stock split yet to be announced by GTV Engineering. MPS Limited, MPS, share is trading around rupees 2,672. MPS announced a dividend of rupees 50 per share. 13th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Union Bank of India, current market price rupees 154. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4.75 per share. 18th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, M&M, current market price rupees 3,183. Company announced a dividend of rupees 25.3 per share. 4th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Vidol Corporation Limited, Vidol, current market price rupees 1,686. Company announced a dividend of rupees 22 per share. 7th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. JSW Steel Limited, JSW Steel, current market price rupees 1020. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.8 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th July 2025. Solar Industries Limited, Solar Ins, current market price rupees 17,598. Solar Industries announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th July 2025. Pfizer Limited, Pfizer, current market price rupees 5,678. Pfizer also announced a dividend of rupees 135 per share. 9th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. SJS Enterprises Limited, SJS, Current market price rupees 1283. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 9th July 2025. Nestle India Limited. Current market price rupees 2465. Nestle India announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 4th July 2025. Bharti Airtel Limited. Bharti Airtel. Current market price rupees 2010. Company announced a dividend of rupees 16 per share. 18th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited (GNFC) share is trading around rupees 553. Gujarat Narmada Valley announced a dividend of rupees 18 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by GNFC. Alpha Geo India Limited (Alpha Geo) current market price rupees 279. Company announced a dividend of rupees 8 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Alpha Geo. Bombay Oxygen Investment Limited. Current market price rupees 25,668. Company announced a dividend of rupees 35 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th July 2025. IPOs. Crizac Limited IPO. Face value rupees 2 per share. Price band rupees 233 to 245. Lot size 61 shares. IPO opens on 2nd July and closes on 4th July 2025. Tentative allotment 7th July. Initiation of funds 8th July. Credit of shares to demat account 8th July. And tentative listing date is fixed as 9th July 2025. Incorporated in 2011, Crizac Limited is a B2B educational platform for agents and global institutions of higher education offering international student recruitment solutions to global institutions of higher education in the United Kingdom, Canada, Republic of Ireland, Australia, and New Zealand. For the 6 months ended September 30, 2024 and fiscals March 31, 2024, March 31, 2023 and March 31, 2022, the company sourced application for enrollment into global institutions of higher education from over 75 countries through our agents globally who are registered on our proprietary technology platform. The company processed over 5.95 lakh student applications while working with over 135 global institutions of higher education. The company has consultants in multiple countries including Cameroon, China, Ghana, and Kenya. As of September 30, 2024, the company had a team of 329 employees and 100 consultants with extensive experience in the international education landscape. This is the balance sheet of Crizac for the last 3 years. All the amounts are in crores. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.